What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another brand new Car Guy video. Today I'm going to bring you the Mercedes-Benz Parking Assistant. This feature will help you park in a parallel or perpendicular parking, and when I mean help you out, it'll do it for you. So first and foremost, you're going to want to locate this button right here. Okay, if your car has that, it has Parking Assistant, I will push that button. I will see Parking Assistance here, or I'll see a P on the left-hand side for a CLA, GLA, GLB, GLS, anything with the skinny 10.25 inch display. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm in drive right now, and I'm going to start cruising, and you'll see it kind of scanning for a parking spot. And I did notice there is a parking spot up here on my right hand side. We do not want to do this in a high traffic environment. It's going to add an extra layer of stress that you do not need, especially in your new car. So we have a spot here, so I'm going to keep cruising. I'm actually going to drive past the parking spot. It will then light up when it's available, and boom, there it is. I can go and give myself a little bit more room if I want. I'm going to put my foot completely on the brake. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit start parking procedure. We can only back up with this feature. So we'll hit start parking procedure. It's going to put the blinker on, and now my car is going to park just like that. No hands. Let me give you a wider view here. And keep in mind, I am still in control of like checking my surroundings. It's doing everything else for me right now. But if I get too close to anything, it will it'll stop just like it is now, and you'll see a little red line. And I'll wait for it to straighten out, and I'll show you what that red line reference point I'm talking about. So again, it's still doing my steering, and then it's literally putting me in reverse now. And then you'll see these faint red lines. I'm going to scoot in here a little bit more. You'll see red lines there. That's basically the stop point. Okay, so it's going to go all the way to that line. You can probably barely, you can see them better there. And then I am parked. As easy as that. So that is your parking assistant. It's not meant to substitute you parking the car itself. Again, it's only in those tough spots like parallel parking, perpendicular parking. It's a cool feature to show off, especially on your new Mercedes-Benz. If you would like to see this for Audi, I can do that as well, along with Porsche. But that is your parking assistant. I hope this short and to the point video helped you and gave you confidence to use this feature. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out, everybody. Stay positive, like, and subscribe for much more. We're on the road to 1,000. Cheers, everyone.